17 September first trip. Physics question paper. When unbalanced force is applied on any body, then it changes its speed. जब कोई अनबैलेंस फोर्स किसी भी बॉडी पे लगे तो उसका स्पीड बदलते रहता है। बायोलॉजी नॉट द नेम ऑफ एलिमेंट दैट derive from Latin word is iron, iron ferrous. Physics, science question. What will be the direction of magnetic field at a point directly below a horizontal power line with the current flowing from east to west when viewed from the west end? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Question number 23rd. The work done to change velocity 40 meter per second to 8 meter per second of mass 1 kg. Work done is equal to 1 by 2 m v square minus u square. Final velocity minus initial velocity. 1 by 2 v square is equal to 8 square is equal to 64 minus 4 square is equal to 15 is equal to 58 by 2 24 58 square by 2 24 joule. Right answer 24 joule. निम्नलिखित में से न्यूटन की गति के तीसरे नियम का उदाहरण है रॉकेट लॉन्च करना। 27 किसी वस्तु पर कार्य करने वाले गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल को दैट के रूप में जाना जाता है। वेट भार weight is equal to mg. Weight is equal to mg and mg is equal to fx. क्यों नहीं आती 31 When a body is moving on a structural part, then the force toward its center is called centripetal force. Centripetal force. निम्नलिखित मतलब प्रलवन उदाहरण है जितना पीएच कम होता है। एल्युमिनियम क्लाइनाइट pH greater than 7 is base. pH less than 7 is acid and pH equal to 7 is neutral. धातु और क्लाइड और हाइड्रोजन का निर्माण करने के लिए निम्न से में से कौन जाता है? एल्युमिनियम 44 यदि ट्राइबल H is equal to V into T. Vt is equal to 15 into time 3 into 3 into 12 and this is and u dot this. थोड़ा बोल दिया में पाया जाता है मेटोराइड The flexibility in plant is due to parenchyma. In which of the following process is oxygen released into the air? Photosynthesis. In modern periodic table, the number of electron in modern periodic table, the name of group which has octet is known as group 8 or 0th group. Generally, the valency of electropositive element is 1, 2, 3. What orbit 1, 2, 3. The mass of Earth is 10 into 10 to the power 24. The maximum speed of current in solid. That is the amount of work done carrying a charge of 4 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference of 18 volt. Work done is equal to Q del V, change in potential difference, is equal to 4 into 36 is equal to 1 इक्वल टू 72 जूल। A reactant is depend the reactant with the reactant do not depend on R is equal to rho nature of material length by A, do not depend on it. A type of reproduction in which a part of plant body develop into a new individual is called vegetation propagation. वन पौधा एक अणु में पानी के जितने अणु परिवर्तित होते हैं 10 मॉलिक्यूल।